Hello, everyone, Veritas Vault community. This is Nick Allen. I wanted to get back with you, as I promised from the conference call earlier today, and do a short live recording of token burn. My apologies. I misunderstood that you can't use the full zero wallet in MetaMask. It's like a security feature. So what we're going to use today is the actual dead address. You can see it here on chain, just ends in DEAD. And this is roughly the balance they have in there in BNB. And they've got about 18 million, tokens already burned for this address. So it's simply just an alternate address. It's not managed. Nobody can pull our tokens out of here. And, every single VVA token, that we, basically burn into flames tonight shows just how pumped we all are, about creating real lasting value here, and building something absolutely amazing for the long term. So I really do believe this is going to change lives everywhere. And this is, like I said, a historic first step in that direction. And with all of us, moving together, as one solid community in the same direction, there's literally, nothing that we can't accomplish here at Veritas. So to begin, you can see here, we actually bumped it up a little bit. So it's going to be 225,000 VVA tokens with a value at this moment of $715,000. And that's coming out of an exclusive wallet that we're strictly going to be using for burning. So I'll also post this wallet address if you guys want to keep an eye on it. The purpose of this wallet is strictly for burning, but we'll be making deposits as we move forward, month after month, so we can prepare for our next burning event. So to begin, just like normal, you would select VVA, click send, and then I'm going to copy the dead wallet. Make sure I get it perfect here. Go back, place that same wallet address in there, and then I'm going to click max. So we'll get rid of everything. Again, same numbers, 225,000 VVA, 715,000 in USD. Going to that address. Without any further ado here, click continue. Again, same. And then confirm. Transactions pending. Confirmed. Click that. All gone. Gone, baby, gone. Only costed 64 cents. So here I'm going to click to view on the block explorer. Okay. So there they went. Too easy, too fast, but definitely worth the value and the time. And I'll copy this transaction ID, provide that to you in the Telegram chat. And then once I conclude this recording, I will, post it probably on Vimeo. And just double check here. We've got 0 VVA in that wallet. And again, like I said, we're going to continually do this, right? It builds confidence, deflationary in the fact that it takes these tokens out of the general supply. And it just, like I said, makes the token stronger, makes the project stronger, increases confidence, not just right now within the community, but globally. So feel welcome to share this video far and wide. It's always a pleasure to serve you. And I am wishing you all the absolute very best today and always. Take care, everybody.